Combat Politics Watch. This is LP. Now, as you might have seen in the Jamaica Observer, the case that's about to start against Klansman gang, an entire faction. The landmark case, 32 man, or the last figure we see. Originally started off with about 50 or 60, but now they're 32. Trial of the century. Jamaica never seen nothing like this yet. The Caribbean never seen nothing like this yet. Might have a few hiccups. Andre Bryan, aka Blackman. That's the nickname most people know him by. But some people call him Teacher. Scott and Sci-Fi them was still alive. Either them call him the Black Dog. Blackman is trolling the Jamaican justice system. He is trolling the DPP. He's very aware of the facts there. If him not a lawyer, the trial have to go delay. And the trial has been getting delayed for a very long time. So I'll go on, apart from the trolling. Well, the lawyer them him that want, you know, the usual suspects, usual big names. The money where them are asked for, Blackman, are each. Because the lawyer them are well aware of the magnitude of this trial. And they are also aware of the fact say this not gonna be the typical go in, bust case and walk back out business. You see how most top criminal lawyers beat them case. It's because the witness not turn up. No case submission. When a solid witness turn up, even your biggest lawyer then start call it a loss. Them start plan for the appeal right away. Them start prepare the notes for the alright, because but boy, they start whispering to the clients ears, boy, better we try to get this pan appeal here, man. Our gunman beat most cases in Jamaica is that them either intimidate the witness for not turn up or them kill the witness. And for this trial, it look like Paula Lloyd and her team have a solid group of witnesses. So now, people realizing say it now look too good for Blackman. Realizing say him desperate, guess what them are going to do to them price? Raise it. Because remember, it's bad enough them might get associated with Blackman. So the money have to go big. Now the association itself is not really a problem, because remember, enough top criminal lawyers will defend a demon from the deepest, darkest corner of hell as long as when him send over the invoice, the money get lodged in the account. And then to make things worse for him, he no longer has the grip on the streets, certain little revenue sources where he used to control one time, now get split up even further. The big money we used to guaranteed, not so guaranteed now. So Blackman either have to go settle for a quote unquote regular lawyer, or him can take one of the legal one them with the courts I give him. But him keep a give them the run around, alright, work with that one here. No, can't bother, change your mind, drop that one there. No, I'm not work with that one there. Lawyers say him don't want to work with me, all kind of foolishness. So now, them know what gonna happen Monday. See, as far as Blackman is concerned, the trial not going ahead benefit him, because remember, after a certain period of time, he can then file and say, you what, this thing will take too long. The fact that we're not gonna trial it, trial don't even start it, and it's been years, free me up. But I don't think the DPP is going to fall for that strategy. They must start trolling my troll. So don't be surprised if you see them throw one legal deal lie upon him and say, hey what, you have to work with him. Or, you know, him recruit one lawyer might not be as, you know, big name as we're used to. But surely them can make this delay any further. Even if it not delay Monday, I think it's going to start very soon. because they must say right, dragging it on is helping black man. Now there are some key members of the gang who will be a part of this trial. As the trial progresses, I'm going to do the usual updates. For example, those of you who remember the Tesha Miller trial. But some of the money moved up on the trial. We're not going to hear about them after the verdict. Because there are some really interesting characters in the 87 world, right, who fit in at the puzzle are some old videos on my cover. Some old videos where I purposely never mention certain people. Never talk about this, them money up on the trial, no. But after the verdict done, we're not going to hear about some of them. Trial of the century. The gang try everything to get out all of the witness them. The fact say it reached this far, tell me say the witness them safe. Because if the witnesses them never safe, there would be no case. Remember, all the rest of them have lawyer, you know. For them lawyer, hearing said there is no right witness, would have go in right away and say, listen, Your Honor, in the case that they are saying I get through. So the fact say it'll go ahead, show me say Klansman, and I get to the witnesses. So at least we can commend them for keeping the witnesses them safe so far. Because as you can imagine, there would have been no length them not go to for find out right, which part the witnesses them there and to get rid of them. This is a gang gonna get rid of people for less than that. Get rid of people, you not have to go in a court or testify against them for them get rid of you. So that show me say the witnesses them in this case must have cojones the size of Blue Mountain. Because 99% of Jamaicans, you cannot pay them right, to testify against one member, a Klansman. You cannot pay them, there's no amount of money you can offer to make them go stand up now on courthouse go testify against that brutish gang. So people go testify against 32, including Black Man, City Post and them on there, Hezi and them on there. You know say, it can't be the normal people. And me can already see how this is going to play out. The defense is going to try and discredit the witness. The defense are going to probably say, Your Honor, he was a part of the gang too. She was on kerosene. Him did down there, so I just try to look something while I'm there so I testify. Right? They're going to try and discredit the witness. That's the standard procedure. Just like with Tesha Miller trial. Right? Remember, the first thing them tried to do was discredit Ratos Kratos. Now, one of the moves Ratos Kratos make, an underrated move by the way, was to admit his role in the Klansman gang. See, Ratos Kratos, none of a based upon advice, none of a, if somebody tell him, say just be honest, or him just read what go on. By admitting the role where him playing a Klansman, by telling Tesha lawyer, when them ask him say, if you want to kill nobody and him say yeah, them ask him how much, him say enough. You see, by saying that, them end up now have nothing for discredit him for, because the man just tell him say he want 87 and him a gunman. So you know that, tell the jury, say alright, this brother here is openly telling the rest of we say he was a part of the gang, him in the madness, right? And that actually increased his credibility in the eyes of the jury. If Ratos Kratos did go there, we go on like him don't know nothing about badness and him not bust no gun and him know nothing about Klansman, then how you feel? Can say this happen and that happen. Ratos Kratos go to the point to him tell them what happened with Douglas Chambers and say, well, me did over here so, and we did fire some shot over here so for this truck, so some can go over there go kill him. Right. Him incriminate himself and that remove the defense team ability, if you say. Right. I just want to brother try make up some things. Because when he put himself in the mix and incriminate himself, then the jury are going to say then which man are going to take on them kind of thing upon himself just for the sake of it. So he was a member of Klansman. Him take part in the ops. Him tell us him a gunman, him tell us him a kill people. Right? But then, because him a get a chance to come a road, rather than normal, him agree to work with the state. Therefore, he could not be discredited. So, the witnesses them, who are going to be a part of the trial, some of them must have had at least a link with the Klansman. They must be associated with the Klansman, especially at the highest level, black man and city post and them man. So when the defense team say, well, the only way you can know this, because I imagine we're going to hear some very intimate details. The defense team come and say the only way you can know this, that means say, you want city post link, or you want black man in that part, or you want hesitant. The witness them have to say, well, of course. And that's why I tell you what happened. Because I did it. Me and him used to roll out. I tell you what go on. In them instances, the defense team can't discredit the witness no more. The witness I tell you say, of course me and him link. I tell you what I see. What hurt the witness them is when time them go up on the stand, go on like say, then they mix up in a nothing, and then them start lie. Them a lie make it look like say, them have no association with the particular individual. And then them start, when them a lie them start tie up themselves. And then the defense team say, jury, this is this man here, don't even know him I say. So Kratos actually give enough people the blueprint. Kratos stand up on the stand and he was like, kill people, yep. Too much people are killed, too much we count. Matter of fact, because I kill people, and I kill people before Tisha, that's why I can tell us how him do it. So when it comes down to them cases, the best witnesses are the man them will actually take part. In the ops them, or them did it when time with a plan or something like that. Then you have witnesses where them see what happened. For example, them stand up downtown, Princess Street, and them see when J-Bad go shoot the man. That's that type of witness there. When you try sink a gang, it have to be people who inside of the organization in some way, shape or form. It have to be an advisor or a kerosene or a 87 or something like that. That's why when time Uncle Sam try to bring down John Gotti, then go for Sammy the Bull. Even though he had a reputation for being a top 87, who no hitch for guff in the body, who once he may say you snitch, once he may say you talk to police, and gone for you. When pressure reach him, and he made the numbers them Uncle Sam put in front, okay, no Uncle Sam numbers in the normal already. Next thing, Sammy the Bull to the National Water Commission. The way him testimony sweet. When him done, Gotti get life imprisonment without the possibility of parole. No chance of parole. Sammy the Bull was a major 87, only get one look of 5 years. 5 years. Uncle Sam gave him 5 years. That's how you know the information sweet. The information sweet like sugar. Uncle Sam was like, what? No man, not even last go sweet so. Go on the road, Sammy. But no, 87's already. Don't give much chance and get them can't let go the acidity. And that's how most 87s stay. No matter which part of them they. So it's going to be interesting what will happen when Kratos touch about the streets. Because somebody who has shot people from them a teenager, they'll know. So it'll be interesting to see how that end up. But Spanish Town people have them eyes locked on this trial. Because them know the people who dip on it and them know what will happen if them man they touch about the streets. So if you see a favorite lawyer in the press, I said them know I take on that case because of moral reasons and because the money never right. So it look like the Klansman done might end up with a legal aid lawyer or might end up get one on him own, but then the case they right on the corner couple days ago, so what a lawyer go say? Him need time to prepare. If it's a fresh lawyer, he might go probably jump out and say, me can't take up the case. Friday and a Monday at the trial. I'm gonna need a next thing a year delay. So I could see it work out. Hopefully it don't turn into a giant circus. I'm just hope to the KAJ. No bother with the excitement because as you can imagine, 32 members, even though all them are man. But so much 87s I go have them kerosene, you know, the KAJ, it's like a union, they represent the kerosenes. So hopefully them not outside like courthouse with them publicity stunt and all kind of nonsense. I can see it work out now. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.